10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, my name is James Tuala. I'm the band leader, 39 years of age, and I've got 3 kids, and I'm married.
Hello, my full name is Vanessa Kumar. I'm backup vocalist.
I'm Fufu Tuala. I'm married to John Tuala. I have 6 children, 4 boys, 2 girls.
Hi, my name's Victoria Tuala, married to the Kakai James Tuala.
Tusinga Tirifiu. Understudy for the bass. One of the reasons why I joined it is because I love music.
Hi, my name is Vinga. My father is the pastor at AOG Johnsonville. I'm the second drummer in church and backup bass player. One of the backup vocalists as well.
Hey everyone, my name is Fika Tuala, and it's me there. Thanks for coming tonight to our launch and for supporting us, and hope you guys have fun.
My name is Moa Tuala, and I'm the keyboard player for the Johnsonville band.
Deborah Ala Tuala, 18.
Grace Tanya Teresa Tuala, vocals. I do the mics and also wires.
My name is John Tuala. I'm the treasurer in the band. I'm a singer, bass, guitar, a little bit of keyboard.
It's quite difficult because you have to cater for all different people and they have all different personalities.
Joining the band is an awesome opportunity to get closer to God through song and praise.
To stay strong, don't let the devil get to you.
Don't join because someone else says to join. You've got to join with a whole heart.
Keep praying every day. Try and fast once a week.
It's a commitment that you've got to be there every Sunday, every practice, and things will come up. But make sure your heart is in the right place and do it for the Lord.
One of the reasons why I joined the band is to use my talent for the Lord and His work. Hope you enjoy the launch. God bless.
Whatever you do, always have the love in your heart and never give up. Keep on going.
And that's the kind of people that God needs, is strong people, people that are willing.
Be strong and serve the Lord wholeheartedly, and be passionate about serving the Lord. Thank you.
People do need help, and sometimes you can't really see the person in need or in help, and that's why we always have to be vigilant and watchful, because we can never see the signs, of the people that are really struggling. So we have to attend to that. So if we help one person at a time, sooner or later we'll help the whole world and everyone will serve. So it's one soul at a time. So I believe that. But thanks, and I really enjoy the launch that we are about to do.
Hey guys, Bama Mativa. I'm a lifetime member of Manava. I've been with them since the age of 9 and I am the drummer.
Hi, my name is Anna Fiu. I'm 18 years old and